Eric Kornecker for MMI. I'm standing in front of a Timesaver rubber roll grinder. This machine will take a rubber roll that's approximately 60-inch long by approximately 6-inch diameter and grind it down to a specific size to be used for things not limited but including Timesaver and AEM rubber belt grinders. The electrical control panel services the machine for feed distance, feed rate, dwell time, a counter, and also the heads-up display. This is the dust collector for the Timesaver rubber roll grinder. If you look in the background, you'll also see the 8 circles. That's for the bag house that gets attached to this dust collector. It all sits behind the Timesaver machine.